again. So up here we have a problem. We have a circle. We know this distance. We know the distance from here to here. We know that distance. We know that's 10. Our diameter is equal to 10. The question is, how do we find the circumference? How do we find the distance all the way around the circle and back? That's what we're looking for. We're looking for what's called the circumference. All the way around the circle, all the way back. So you guys can go ahead and pause the video, work on it, see what you guys get, see if you can find the circumference. The circumference, we have a formula, is equal to pi times diameter. So you can work on that. How we're going to figure this out, we're going to go through, we're going to say first off is equal to, what's pi equal to? We're going to use 3.14. Pi we know is an irrational number. We could add quite a few digits to pi, but we're going to use 3.14 for right now. 3.14 times the diameter. The diameter we know is 10. So I'm going to multiply 3.14 times 10. We can put that in the calculator. We can do that by hand. You may be able to do that in your head. You should come up with an answer that looks something like 31.4. And probably you did. Good job. We'll see you at the next video.